energy solutions for shaping the future of the Earth and the shipping industry. As the push for carbon neutrality gains pace worldwide, the ship and port sector also face calls for major change. Fuji Electric aims to balance decarbonization and efficiency. Using our energy and control technologies, we provide ships and ports with sustainable solutions. Contributing to decarbonization of small vessels, Electric Propulsion System. By combining our in-house developed water-cooled PM motor with a water-cooled power conversion board, we electrify vessels, cut CO2 emissions, and reduce environmental impact. Reduces vibration and noise to improve comfort. Also supports automated operation with an eye toward future labor savings. The equipment's compact design helps save space on board, supporting next-generation ship operations. Contributing to decarbonization of large vessels, shaft generator system. Uses the main engine's power while ship is moving to generate electricity efficiently for onboard use. In addition to cutting fuel use and CO2 emissions, reducing the operating hours of auxiliary generators also eases the maintenance workload. World's smallest compact design, SOx Scrubber. Our proprietary cyclone technology reduces size to about half that of previous models. It can be easily installed on existing vessels as well as on new vessels. It is delivered fully assembled, eliminating the need for on-site assembly. This also helps shorten the construction time frame. Continuous monitoring of SO2 and CO2, even in severe environments. In-house developed laser gas analyzer. Successfully reduced the size and weight to about 1/10 the size of infrared models. User maintenance requires only filter replacement. With fewer replacement parts, maintenance costs can also be cut by about half. Monitor 3 water quality parameters with a single device. In-house developed water quality meter. Simultaneous monitoring of PAH concentration, pH, and turbidity with a single unit. Enables monitoring of compliance with wastewater standards in real time. Unique engineering design is resistant to dirt, making it easy to maintain. All maintenance, including calibration, is completed on board. Contributing to decarbonization of ports, onshore power supply system. Supplies power from shore to docked ships using a cable management system, reducing the need to run onboard generators. This greatly reduces emissions of air pollutants such as NOx and SOx, as well as CO2. It also reduces noise, helping to improve the onboard environment. The power supply equipment is packaged in a 40-foot container for delivery. This improves ease of installation, contributing to shorter construction time and quicker operation startup. Fuji Electric's ship and port solutions rely on class-compliant components known for reliability and proven track record. Frenic Mega Series is a high-performance multifunctional inverter compatible with a wide range of motors. With high control performance and environmental resistance, it supports stable operation of fans, pumps, deck cranes, and side thrusters. The Frenic VG series is a Fuji Electric's high-performance vector control inverter, bringing together our advanced vector inverter technologies. It delivers strong performance in heavy-duty applications requiring high torque, such as electric winches and hatch openers. The Monitouch V10 and V9 series focus on essential HMI functions, supporting smooth and efficient site operations. They display equipment status in real time and also support remote operation and monitoring. The Micrex SX series SPH is an integrated controller that serves as the core of control systems, enabling fast and advanced machine control. It supports complex control of storage batteries, cranes, and side thrusters, enabling the construction of highly reliable systems. As well as these component products, we also offer service products to support operations. Wisero is a monitoring system that detects early signs of failure in rotating machinery and identifies anomalies in real time, helping to ensure stable equipment operation. FOSP Glass is a wearable support tool that connects on-site teams with headquarters, enabling remote assistance and guidance. Toward the creation of a responsible and sustainable society, Fuji Electric will continue to support the future of ships and ports.